Speech-to-text technology has been around a long time, but current tools don't work for everyone. IBM Watson is changing that. Most tools focus on transcription of short messages and search terms from high-quality audio. But what about other sources of audio, such as phone calls, meetings, and broadcasts? What if we could do more with speech? Introducing IBM Watson Speech-to-Text. IBM Speech-to-Text uses advanced statistical modeling techniques developed over decades in IBM research and refined by ideas from cognitive computing to transcribe both high-quality and lower-quality audio from a wide variety of source material. It uses the technology behind Watson to automatically determine the most accurate result for words and phrases and present them with confidence scores and other metadata. Call centers could transcribe millions of minutes of recorded audio automatically, allowing them to mine the information in the calls to identify issues to provide more value to their customers and agents. No more having to furiously take notes during lectures and meetings. Accurate speech transcription allows you to actively pay attention to the discussion. When the meeting is complete, a transcription could be waiting for you, whether it be from an audio or video recording. Using this technology, the full content of an entire library of recordings could be made searchable without the need for human tagging. When combined with other services on the Watson Developer Cloud, you can build even better cognitive applications.
Watson Speech-to-Text is an API-based service that is specialized for converting human voice into text featuring a special data format. The data that is returned includes not only the translated text, but also alternative translations along with the confidence scores for each one of those translations. Out of the box, the service can translate general utterances and works with many commonly used phrases. If you need Watson Speech-to-Text to understand less commonly used words and phrases, perhaps those specific to your industry, the service can be trained to recognize domain-specific terms. IBM provides access to a number of software development kits available on GitHub for working with the speech-to-text service. Since the service is hosted on the IBM Cloud, it is scalable, allowing you to have multiple services working in concert to translate very large numbers of speech into text. The service is highly customizable. It can be trained through the API to recognize many words and phrases that may be specific to your use case. Watson Speech-to-Text also supports a number of ways to connect to the service with either live streams or pre-recorded audio. Most importantly, all of the data that passes through the speech-to-text service is your data. Watson Text-to-Speech service enables your systems to speak just like humans. It is designed to convert written text into natural-sounding audio in a wide variety of languages, dialects, and voices. The text-to-speech service includes a powerful real-time speech generation system. It's highly customizable, and you can control very minutely the cadence, emotion, and tone of the speech produced. Out of the box, the speech engine is extremely accurate. Built to support a wide variety of use cases, the service can synthesize across many languages and numerous voices, including different genders and ages. The text-to-speech service supports the International Phonetic Alphabet and the IBM Symbolic Phonetic Representation Notation to enable you to construct very specific pronunciations for terms, phrases, and words that may appear in your use case. Watson Text-to-Speech gives you very detailed control over the pronunciation of the different words and phrases that pass through the service via a powerful customization interface. The text-to-speech service provides a REST API, which allows you to submit text for speech processing on an as-needed basis. It also has a WebSocket interface to enable you to stream audio output from the text-to-speech service in real time. There's also cross-origin resource sharing, or CORS, support built into the text-to-speech service. This means the service is accessible directly by any configured server or application without having to pass through specific servers or proxy servers. So that you can work directly with the text-to-speech service, subscriptions include access to software development kits and sample code available on GitHub. All of these tools can be put together using the speech synthesis markup link, which allows you to incorporate notation into your customization of the text-to-speech service. And finally, when using Watson text-to-speech service, you always maintain control and ownership of your data.
The environments we live and work in are becoming increasingly multilingual. Businesses must manage growing amounts of information that need to be accessed by speakers of various languages. While human translators are high in quality, they are also very expensive and cannot translate in real time within software applications. Businesses need an affordable, automated way to translate information, and they need to be able to tweak their translation models to account for language specific to their business. The IBM Watson Language Translator Service enables application developers to directly process translations using a simple, standard RESTful API. The Language Translator Service offers multiple domain-specific translation models. In addition, for text with very specific terminology and language, the service empowers users with 3 levels of customization. Forced glossary customization allows you to upload pairs of matching terms in the source and target language. These pairs completely overrule the original translation model. Parallel phrase customization allows you to upload a series of matching phrases in the source and target language. This differs from the forced glossary customization because it does not completely overrule the original translation model. Corpus-level customization allows users to upload a plain text file that contains a body of text in the target language that is related to what you are translating. A monolingual corpus helps make your translations more fluent and human. Customers use our language translation service for things like translating large amounts of internal documents when human translators are too expensive, translating external text like web pages, translating communications in real time like emails, online chats, and other multilingual communication. Language service providers also use the service as a first-round translation to then be refined by a professional translator. Watson Language Translator is especially useful when used along with other Watson services. Use document conversion to convert your PDF, Word, or HTML documents into plain text for input into the Language Translator service. Or use Language Translator to translate results from any of the Watson services with a text output.
Watson Language Translator Service is easy to use and integrates your current work processes. The service makes it possible for you to access global markets easily by translating everything from emails, social media posts, marketing materials, patent searches, and even your application's user interface. Watson Language Translator Service features neural machine translation, which supports customization in 14 language pairs. There is also a document translator service to translate documents from one language to another while preserving file formatting and type. IBM respects that you own your data. You can choose to improve future results by allowing the service to train using your data, which is not shared or made public. Or by opting out, the data will not be used for general service improvements. Natural Language Classifier is text classification made easy. It applies deep learning techniques to make predictions about the best predefined classes for short sentences or phrases, such as descriptions, online reviews, job descriptions, or key skills listed in resumes. Use machine learning to analyze text and label and organize data into custom categories. Organizations use Watson Natural Language Classifier to analyze product descriptions and organize products into categories on online shopping websites, to sort job vacancies into groupings, or to analyze the language used in reviews and categorize those into types. With Watson Natural Language Classifier, you can categorize social media or analytics data, sort volumes of written content, evaluate the results, and identify key skills. The tooling features help you to classify and analyze your data. Use classification for intent detection, creation of custom classifiers with confidence scores, chain classifiers, and to classify multiple phrases in one API call. Use data updates to update your training data based on recent classification results. Multi-intent classification helps you to extract intents from text, as well as separating and grouping text at various levels by changing multiple classifiers. Natural Language Classifier is beneficial because it allows you to scale your classified data through the tooling and API features. You can leverage Watson Deep Learning as a Service to train a natural language classification model on your data at faster speeds and in larger quantities. And with IBM, you maintain control and ownership of your data as you grow your business with Watson AI.